In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Drive account from iPhone. If you want to sign out of Google Drive on your iPhone or iPad, there are a couple of ways to do it, depending on whether you only want to remove the account from the Google Drive app or remove the Google account from your iPhone entirely. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits your situation. Let's start with removing the account from the Google Drive app only. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This will open the account menu. From there, tap Manage Accounts on this device. You'll now see the Google accounts connected for use in Drive. Select the Google account you want to remove, then tap Remove from this device. After that, confirm the removal when prompted. Keep in mind, this signs the account out of Google Drive and other Google apps using that same account on the device. It does not delete the Google account itself, and it does not erase any files stored in Google Drive. It simply removes access from that iPhone or iPad. If you want to remove the Google account from your iPhone entirely, especially if you added it to iOS for things like mail, contacts, or calendars, the process is a little different. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then go to Apps, then Contacts, then Accounts. On some iOS versions, you may instead need to go to Mail and then Accounts. So don't worry if the path looks slightly different on your screen. Once you find the list of accounts, tap the Google account you want to remove. Then tap Delete Account and confirm the deletion. This removes the Google account from your iPhone system settings, which means it will no longer sync services like Mail, Contacts, or Calendars associated with that account on the device. If you have more than one Google account connected to Google Drive, you can also remove multiple accounts one by one. To do that, open Google Drive, tap your profile picture, and then tap Manage Accounts on this device. From there, remove any accounts you no longer want to use in Drive. One final note: removing an account from your iPhone does not delete the account itself and does not remove any files stored online. It only disconnects that account from your device.